Hello friends, how are you? Welcome to our channel Fun and Learn with Ayush, and I am Ayush, and in this video I will discuss that what is the syllabus and pattern of All India Science School Entrance exam of class 6 and 9. And this is not necessary that you have to give this exam in English language only. You can give in English or Hindi, as you don't have to write anything. This exam is on OMR sheet. So let's start. So first of all, we will discuss about class 6. In class 6, it contains 4 papers. The first paper is of maths. Maths contain total 50 questions, each of 3 marks. The second paper is of English. English contains 25 questions, each of 2 marks. The third paper is of GK, means general knowledge. General knowledge contains 25 questions, each of 2 marks. The fourth paper is of IQ. IQ contains 25 questions, and in this also each question is of 2 marks. So only in maths we get 150 marks, and in English we get 50 marks. In GK also we get 50 marks, and in IQ also we get 50 marks. So the total marks is 300. So it has been confirmed that we get 50% by only from maths. So it has been confirmed that maths is a gaining subject. So as you can see that all the subjects are very important, but only from maths we get 150 marks, means 50% marks we only get from maths. So maths is a very important subject for all the candidates, and as you know that maths is very advanced from our current syllabus. So we have to study it carefully, and I have also qualified in my written examination, and I have got my medical call letter. So if you are also eager to give this examination, so follow us, and if you will be facing any doubt, then you can write your question in the comment section, and I will make a new video on it. So I will tell you about the time. So for maths, English and GK you will get 2 hours, and for IQ you will get 30 minutes. So the total timing is 2 hours 30 minutes. And as you can consume that the last year, because of lockdown, I have also prepared myself at home only, not by going to coaching and DTC. So, and I have qualified in my written examination, and I will cover your whole syllabus. If you will face any doubt, you can write it in the comment section, and I will make a new video on it. So I have discussed about class 6, that what is its pattern and syllabus. So let's discuss about class 9. In class 9 it contains 5 papers. The first paper is of maths. Maths contains 50 questions, each of 4 marks. The second paper is of English. English contains 25 questions, each of 2 marks. The third paper is of intelligence, means IQ. IQ contains 25 questions, each of 2 marks. The fourth paper is general science. General science contains 25 questions, each of 2 marks. And the fifth paper is of social studies. Social studies contains 25 questions, each of 2 marks. So in maths we get total 200 marks. In English we get 50 marks. In IQ we get 50 marks. In general science also we get 50 marks, and in social studies also we get 50 marks. So the total marks is 400. And in class 9 also we can see that by gaining only of maths we get 50%. So in class 9 also it has been confirmed that maths is a gaining subject. So the timing that we get to give this examination of class 9 is The total timing is 3 hours. And here also we can see that maths contains 50%, and if you face any doubt or problem, you can send it in the comment section. My sister is also preparing herself at home only, and for Sainik School entrance exam of class 9. So if you will face any problem, you can write it in the comment section, and my sister will make a new video on it. So let's discuss about the books. There are 2 types of books available on any local market or on Amazon and Flipkart. The first is Arihant and the second is of R. Gupta. You can prepare yourself from any book, though both books are nice. So first of all, I will show you my books. This is the class 9th guidebook. This is of R. Gupta. This is my class 6 Arihant book. It is also a guidebook, and this is of Arihant, and this is of my previous year's solved question paper, and it is of R. Gupta. So if you want to prepare with me, write in the comment section. So stay home, be safe, and do online studies with Ayush. Jai Hind.